guys, good morning everyone. Good morning sa mga viewer and subscriber. Shout out guys sa mga viewer and subscriber. Nag-highlight agad ako guys. Kaumpisa pa lang ng ng live ko, hindi pala pwede. Kailangan at least 1 minute ka nag-live bago ka mag-highlight. Gitry na kong pindot ang highlight ba. Nakalagay at least 1 minute bago ka pwedeng mag-highlight. Good morning everyone, and happy Sunday everyone. Today is a Lordy Sunday. Late na ako nag-live guys kasi nanonood ako ng mass online. Live streaming siya. Every Sunday yan. 11 to 12. 1 hour. Kaya now is, I think 12:30 na. The time is 12:30. Usually I'm not done guys. We need to pouring water to our plant outside because I have planting yesterday. New plant from Aero Garden. We stop planting now in Aero Garden guys because next month is colder na. Winter is coming na guys, so we stop planting in Aero Garden. Maybe next year if I hear, because next year maybe March we need to back to the Philippines, but I don't know how to long me in the Philippines. Let's see if I hear in the US during summer we planting again plant. That's our life now guys, because I am retired now. So enjoy life. So we need to do something to our busy life every day. Shout out to Tumble Vlog and Tita Ros Vlog. Shout out kay. Nag-live na siguro si Tita Ros ay. Umupo ako saglit guys. Antayin kong maka 5 minutes, alis na rin ako kasi naku, I'm not done washing the dishes. Kasi nag-breakfast kami kanina, pagkatapos ng breakfast ko ay nag-umpisa ng mass online. Pwede nang mag-highlight ka na bin. Kasi I'm not upload video guys.